Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and change your Uber Eats bicycle to scooter. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we will simply go ahead step into our video. So for the matter, we do have two steps that you can do. The very first would be simply for you to contact Uber Eats support. You can do it by simply going to Uber Eats and going to your account option below and scroll down and typing on this option of help just right over here, and you're gonna go ahead first. You can choose the topics, tap on this delivery and pickup basics, and we're gonna scroll down and tap on this I have a different question about Uber Eats. We're gonna scroll down to the bottom and you can simply scroll down in the share additional details. It's really just basic order or change. You're gonna go ahead, type in a message regarding the problem of yours. Once you have done that, you can again add in additional details like I would like to change my vehicle, please let me know how I can, and tap on submit. Now once you have submitted the request for it to the Uber Eats, so they will check it out and let you know how you can. And other thing would be simply for you to go back to Uber Eats. Let's say you have one account with the bike service, you can go back with another account with another vehicle preference for you, and you can use it likewise. So these are simply the steps available, solution available. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.